Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where we have a bit of a mess to clean up. So I'll take you through a pan shot of my kitchen. It's a mess. So I was decluttering, organizing, meal planning, cooking, organizing birthday cakes. We had a family meal I need to take a dessert for. And I just had so many little projects on the go. So this is why my kitchen looks like a bomb site has hit it. I used up so many dishes and just kept going and going. It's about 3 days worth of stuff because I got so busy doing life and everything else. So that's where we're at, and there's just mess everywhere. So we're going to clean it up. Of course, it's going to be on super fast speed because don't we wish that that's how quickly we could do it? So this is really what I'd love to do. Close my eyes and walk away, but it needs to get done. As you can see, it's also nighttime. What's new? I'm forever cleaning at night to do my kitchen, usually to do a massive clean like that, and I just kind of dedicate 10 minutes here and there in between if I have to do anything else, especially if I'm cooking dinner. I can usually multitask pretty well. So this side area is usually our catch-all and sort of dump area for anything that we need, papers, mail, etc, etc. Of course, in one day, because I was home all day, I made my son a birthday cake. While that was cooking and other stuff, started decluttering a cupboard, then left part of that, then had to cook dinner, then left part of that. So this is how the mess just accumulates so fast in my house. So my bench was relatively tidy and organized, and it just got all pulled out and dumped. So wiping down the benches and getting that back to base zero, super important as well. Starting to wash these dishes, and I realized that I might as well listen to my audiobook while I'm here because I want to make sure that I finish it. I'm still not finished it, but I'm closer than I was before. And so then this way it motivates me to keep cleaning because then I know I've got the audiobook to listen to. It's actually a pretty good book. It's about some convicts that come here to Australia and just about their lives, and I will review it in an upcoming book video. So for now, I guess just enjoy me running around the kitchen like a crazy lady, cleaning everything up, and I'll see you soon. So we're back the next day. As you can see, hooray, it's daylight. I only have about an hour at home. I'm actually in between appointments right now. So I've come home to try and rearrange part of another cupboard, do a few more dishes, put away some of the dishes that were washed from last night because they're dry, and then also cook part of a dinner and then reheat another part of a dinner, so then when it comes to dinner time, it's just easy to quickly warm it up and eat it, and then that way it's done, ready for everyone. Just washing another pile of dishes that's here, and then they can sit there and dry during the day, so then when I come back in the evening it will be quicker just to put them away. I just let the dishes air dry because it's easier. And then also, if I need to ask anyone for any help, they can just put them away. Having people with sensory and texture needs in the house means that they can't always do a lot of stuff. So yeah, I do what I can to sort of do step one, and then that way if anyone can help me with step two, it helps. Hooray, all done. It's not perfect. I still have all my junk there from the catch-all, but do you know what? It's about as back to base zero as it's going to be. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.